Are waking up this morning, though, with a red flag fire alert in place all across the entire state.
That's right. The South Carolina Forestry Commission issued that alert to notify residents of the increased risk of wildfires. A red flag fire alert does not prohibit outdoor burning, but you're urged to hold off on burning until that alert is lifted. Now, if you must burn outside, make sure to follow all other state and local regulations.
Lexington County specifically has issued a burn ban until further notice. This includes yard debris burning, campfires, and prescribed burns. The Forestry Commission plans to reevaluate conditions on Sunday.